In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Coins.ph. If you're using an Android phone and you want to get started with Coins.ph, the process is very simple and should only take a few minutes. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to do from start to finish. First, unlock your Android device and open the Google Play Store. This is the official app store for Android, and it's the safest place to download apps like Coins.ph. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before you begin, since the app will need to download completely before you can open it. Once you're inside the Play Store, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Coins.ph, then start the search. You should see a list of results appear. Look for the app called Coins.ph Wallet. It's important to choose the correct app so you're installing the official version. After you find Coins.ph Wallet, tap on it to open the app page. This page will show you more details about the app, including its name, icon, and install option. Take a quick moment to confirm that you're on the right listing, then tap Install. As soon as you tap Install, the download will begin automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. During this step, just wait for the download and installation process to finish. You'll usually see a progress indicator on the screen so you can tell when it's almost done. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the option to open the app. Tap Open to launch Coins.ph on your Android phone. At this point, the app is successfully installed and ready for setup. When the app opens, simply follow the on-screen instructions to continue. These prompts will guide you through the next part of the process, so just read each screen carefully and proceed step by step. If anything loads slowly, give it a moment and avoid closing the app while it's setting up. That's it. You've now downloaded Coins.ph on Android and opened it successfully. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to follow along with the next steps inside the app at your own pace, and make sure you complete everything carefully so the setup goes smoothly.